How do you design the future of entertainment? We asked field experts.
And the answer, it starts with AI.
AI tools and emerging technologies have really opened up new opportunities for content creation. Today, you don't need an expensive setup. All you mostly need is a good idea, a compelling story.
Generative AI models allow creators to generate sound effects, even soundtracks, automate time-consuming tasks like color correction.
That's one of the beauties of AI. They cannot replace the creative aspect of the content creation process, but they offer a great starting point.
Bring up creators to focus on more creative aspects of their work.
AI can use many different ways to customize content. Now you can customize games to the skill level of individual players, their own behaviors.
And AI-powered NPCs introduce unpredictable behavior, expanding choices, expanding pathways for players.
Now you can actually create customized content for the user based on users' viewing habits, personality.
And this leads to unique and replayable experiences. AI is playing, I think, a crucial role in improving the overall quality and safety of these online platforms. AI models can detect and remove harmful content, music and video copyright infringements, protecting creators' rights.
Making sure it's safe and enjoyable for everybody.
AI is just the beginning of this entertainment revolution.
Where will you lead it next?